I just tell people it's like a Japanese flag, right? And then,
Oh yeah.
some guys go a mile a minute and they splash it all around. This is I think this is 6 ounce. But you define the edge of the crust, almost like a little well of sauce by the edge, you know? And then you can just fill it in if you want like that. Just try to make it even. I love sauce, so I prefer a better sauce than a light sauce, but that's plenty. The cheese would be on there as well, and I don't like to load it with cheese. I like a less is more. That's one of the things I learned from Enzo and the Italians is you should be able to taste everything and not bury things.
Yeah.
So just for practice sake, you take it, throw it in. I use a different part of the oven.